absolutely love it. We use the outdoor area so much more, I can't believe it. It's been the best thing we've done since we came here.
Without the cover on this, the balcony was totally useless. It was too hot, you just couldn't use it.
To be quite frank, if we hadn't have got something like this, we wouldn't have stayed here.
We wouldn't have stayed, no.
This balcony's 22 metres long, 4.5 metres deep, and before it was completely unusable. It's just the western sun here, it's just relentless. So we needed to deliver something that could create a livable space in this tough environment. The Camargue was the best solution for it. The screens here will block the sun from the west, we can block the wind from the south, and it just makes the space usable, whereas before it was just unusable.
Now Besco introduced us to this product. The Camargue system just ticks all the boxes, everything from the LED lighting, the automation system.
With the linear LED lightings included, it's allowed the system to be used day, night, rain, hail or shine.
What it has given us is a 60 square metre extension to our living space.
We use it for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and just to relax. It's been perfect for us.
I think our experience with the Besco has been exceptionally good. Nothing was too much trouble. If something was missed out, they'd make sure they came back and fix it. I mean, their aim is to keep you 100% satisfied.
Can't really expect anything to go better than what it does with this type of system. Really easy to install.
We would certainly recommend this product and a Besco to friends and family and anyone else that comes here and oogles at how good this system is.
In fact, we've already recommended it to people because it speaks for itself.